Yes. What's going on, guys? Day Trading Addict here, and I have another great video for you guys today. Today, we're going to talk about the top 10 Forex strategies that will help you make more profits, guys, right? These strategies will help you make more money. So let's say that you are winning right now, you have a winning strategy, and you're making, let's say you're making a little bit of money, or even if you're making decent money, right? You can use these strategies to make even more money. Okay, so let's get into these strategies. Now, these strategies can work in any market. It doesn't matter if it's Forex, futures, stock market, it doesn't matter, right? Before we get to these strategies, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button, because over here, I help struggling traders get to the next level, because I know how hard trading could be if you don't know how to read the markets, okay? So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and shout out to all my addicts out there, aka subscribers, because you know I'm not the only one that's addicted to these markets. So let's get it, guys. Now, let's go to number one. Number one, use bigger time frames. Okay, so let's say that you trade in the 5-minute chart or the 15-minute chart. Okay, what you can do is you can actually go to the 4-hour chart or the 1-hour chart, and you can look for support and resistance or supply and demand. You know, I like to use supply and demand, and you can use those time frames to basically look for bigger support and resistance areas. So right now we are looking at the British pound, right? And we have a nice little supply area right here. So let's mark this down right here, okay? And this is the 4-hour chart, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to drop down to the 5-minute. Okay, so this is the 5-minute chart, okay? So the 5-minute chart, you have to be very careful, because you don't want to go in, right away, okay? You really want the market to break down, okay? Show you some type of lower lows. So right here, we have the 5-minute chart right here. You want the market to at least break down and start to show you lower lows. And notice right here, guys, we start to break down. We have a nice trend line right here, guys. Look at this right here. Nice trend line right here. The market started to make lower lows. Look at this. Lower highs, lower lows. Okay. So we are going to look at that and say, you know what? Okay. Let's look for an entry right here. Nice little entry right here at the trend line. It doesn't matter what strategy you use. Okay. Just make sure the market is showing some type of lower low situation. Okay. Or even if you have a strategy that you use, whatever you want to use. I'm just showing you guys what you can do. Now, let's say you got in right here. So let me show you real quick. Short position. Okay, let's say you got in right here. We had a nice trend line. You say, okay, we are at that trend line. It's time to go short. So let's go right here. You're going to basically put your stop loss a little bit above that candle right here. Okay. And you can look for a big reward. Okay, why? Because you are trading the 4-hour chart. Okay, so this right here is what we're looking at. This is a 7-to-1. Okay, 7-to-1 risk reward. So 7 times your money. Of course, you could have got more. Okay, but you don't want to be greedy too much. You also you can actually take profits. While the market is going down, but I'm just showing you guys, okay, how you can actually make more money with your trading, okay? So that's number one, guys. Use bigger time frames. Look at the major support and resistance on the 4-hour or the 1-hour. Go to the 5-minute chart or the 15-minute chart. Look for those lower lows and attack, right? So let's go to number two. Number two, lose less, okay? Yes. When you lose less, guys, you can actually make more money. Good example. Okay, let's say that on average you lose 6 times during the week. Okay, so let's say you have 6 losses on average during the week, and let's say that you risk $100 per trade. If you add that up, that's $600. Okay, now if you can get that down, let's say that instead of losing 6 times during the week, okay, let's say you get that down to, let's say, even losing only 4 times a week, okay? So if you lose 4 times a week, guess what? You just saved $200. That means that you are making more money, because you found out a way to lose less. And when you lose less, you will automatically gain more money, okay? And a good way to, you know, do this is make sure that you have a journal, write down your mistakes, write down, the things that you're doing wrong. Look at it at the end of the week and see what you can do to improve. All right. So that's another way, guys, to make more money with your trading. Yes, losing less can actually make you more money. Okay. Number 3, use limit orders. This is a little bit more advanced, but once you can understand the market and once you understand what the market is doing, you can actually use limit orders to get in early. So let me show you a good example. Okay, so this is the 4-hour chart. We have the market trending up. Okay, we have a nice little demand zone right here. So let's mark that down right here. We are going to put this right here, guys. And we are going to look at this demand zone. Now, notice how we came into the demand zone, okay? And price shot up, okay? If you was looking for confirmation, which is nothing wrong, I'm letting you guys know there's nothing wrong with confirmation. I love it. I still use confirmation too, right? But okay, if you can understand the market, understand how to use limits, you can actually make more money. I'm gonna show you right now. Now, let's say that you bought this right here. Okay, we have the market shooting up right here, the nice bullish bar right here. Now, let's say that you got in as soon as it went past this bar right here, okay? Or you could have got in right here at the top. But let's, just for, this video, let's say that you actually went, okay, long right here, all right? So you put your stop loss right here underneath this bar. And let's say that as soon as it went above this bar, you went long, okay? So right here. And let's say that you're looking for maybe let's say a quick 1-to-1, right? So let's bring this down right here. Okay. So let's say you're risking $100 on this trade. You're looking to make another $100, right? Now, let's say that you know the market, you understand the market, you are a little bit more advanced, okay? You can actually get in as soon as price touch the zone. And you get in with a limit order, all right? So that means a limit order means as soon as you get in, as soon as they hit that level, that means you filled and you're going to basically be in the market, okay? When it shoots up, and let's say that you're risking $100, okay? When it shoots up right here, you are up $100 already, okay? And if you target the original profit target, you'll be up $200. So you can actually make a 2x, okay, versus making a 1x. Because remember, the original entry was right here, okay? You was looking for a quick 1-to-1. And then with the limit, okay, when it comes to your original entry, you are up already $100, okay? Then when it goes to your original profit target, boom, you're up $200. So that's how you can actually make more money with limit orders. You can actually get in early. You don't have to wait for any confirmation, okay? And you can actually make more money that way. I have different strategies that beginners can use when it comes to, using limit orders, but I'm not really going to get into that in this video. But I'm just letting you guys know, if you use limit orders, you can make more money with your trading. Okay, so let's go to number 4. Number 4, trade more. Yes, you can actually make more money by trading more. Okay, I don't recommend this for beginners. Okay, because when you tell a beginner to trade more, they'll probably go crazy. They probably trade everything. But if you understand the market, been making some profits, and you want to trade more, you could actually do this. So let me show you a good example. Okay, so let's say that your main strategy is a breakout strategy, right? And you are very good with trading breakouts. So let's say that we have a breakout right here, okay? And you took this breakout right here, right? And then you're making money. And let's say that you look at another chart. So let's go to another chart. So you already took that breakout right there, okay? But you see another one right here. You say, oh my gosh, this looks really, really good, okay? This breakout looks really, really good. You know what? I'm going to take this too, okay? Well, if you are comfortable with breakouts and you understand them, guess what? Okay, you don't have to limit yourself just to one pair or one market, okay? you can actually take more trades just because you understand, okay, breakouts. So that's how you can make more money by trading more. So that's number 4, trade more. Let's go to number 5. Number 5, learn more. Guys, invest in yourself. I don't understand this new generation. This new generation, they don't understand investing in yourself is actually a good thing. Okay? When you invest in a book, if you buy a book, guys, don't you know that you can actually learn so much information? I actually once heard this guy said, it's amazing how, you can actually open up a book, read the book, and actually get knowledge, okay, within 2 to 3 hours. And that person, okay, that wrote the book, it probably took them 10 years or 5 years to figure out that information. And you can get that information in 2 to 3 hours. That's amazing, guys. Invest in yourself, okay? It doesn't matter if it's a book, a CD, a video course. It doesn't matter, guys, okay? Because you have to understand, when you invest in yourself and you invest in education, you can pick up a nice solid strategy, okay? Or even a nice idea. And don't you know that idea or that strategy can actually pay you forever? Most people don't think like that, okay? You're just thinking, oh, I'm just buying this book and I don't want to, waste my money on a book, okay? Or I'm just buying this book or, I just want to learn. No, guys, listen. Don't think like that. You are investing in education, okay? And when you can actually get something from that, okay, that education can pay you over and over and over. Investing in education is like investing in real estate, guys. It's an asset. Yes, it's an asset. An asset is something that pays you over and over and over. So if you buy a book or a video course or anything, okay, and you learn a strategy from that, that strategy can pay you over and over and over. So I want you guys to shift your mind, okay, start to think better and start to basically understand how things work, guys. You guys waste money on Gucci belts, Jordans, video games, and none of that stuff is going to put money in your pocket. But you don't want to invest in, education so you can get to the next level. So guys, make sure that you learn more, invest in your education. Number 6, add-ons. What I mean by add-ons is adding another trade, okay, along with your current position. So let's show you guys a good example. Okay, so the market is going down, okay? Let's say that you took a short. Let's say that, okay, you see the market breaking out, okay? So it broke out, it came back, it retested this, you went short right here, okay? So the market is going your way, you're going your way, going your way. Now, in the process, you see in the market, forming another breakout. You say, you know what? Okay, I'm in this position right here, but I'm going to add some more. Okay, so you add on another trade, guys. And when you add on another trade, okay, I want you guys to understand, when you add on another trade, these trades are separate. Okay, so this is a separate trade and this is a separate trade. So make sure that you don't, look at these trades as one trade. Okay, so while you are in this trade right here, okay, you can actually add on another one if you see another setup. Okay, you look for more profits. Once you get used to trading, you can actually add on, especially if you're looking for, bigger targets. Okay, you can definitely add on while you're trading. In my opinion, this is not really for beginners, but when you get used to the market, this can actually make you more money. Okay, so that's another way, guys, you can actually make more money with trading. So let's go to number 7. Number 7, anticipate breakouts. So let me show you guys a good example. Okay, so here's a good example right here, right? We have the market going down, and we have a nice little 3 connection right here. We have 1, 2, and 3. So let's say that you start to see the market, okay? And you have to be very good at recognizing this in real time, okay? So let's say that you start to see the market forming a triangle, okay? Usually that means that the market might break out. So you have a nice 3 touch right here, guys. And let's say that you get in. So let's say that you get in right here, guys, right? Now, You get in right here. You don't want to take this trade and say, you know what, I'm just going to, take it, just to the bottom right here. Okay. No, you want to say, okay, you know what, this looks like a triangle. So it's a strong possibility that this thing could break out. So what you're going to do is while you're in this trade, because remember, you didn't see this information. So let me back up a little bit so you guys can see this, right, in real time. So let's back up. Okay. So in real time, this is what you're going to see right here. So you're going to anticipate the market, okay, breaking out of this triangle. But you have to be very good at this, realizing this in real time. Trust me, you can do this. It's going to take time, but you can definitely do it, right? So you see this nice triangle forming, okay? You take this short right here, okay? Nice bearish bar, and you're looking to wait for the market to break out of this triangle, okay? So your market's going. It's trying to break out, okay? Break out a little bit, but we didn't get stopped out. We have our stop somewhere around here so that we can actually put our stop right here. So let's go here and put our stop somewhere around here, right? So we won't get stopped out somewhere above this swing high right here, okay? And then we have the breakout, okay? Voila. So you can actually make more money, guys, anticipating a breakout, because a lot of traders, they just when it breaks out, that's when they get in. There's nothing wrong with that, okay? I'm not going to be one of those guys that say, oh my gosh, don't do any breakouts. That's stupid, guys. But we have a situation where you can actually anticipate the breakout before it even happens. So this is another good way to make more money, because let's say that you was waiting for the breakout, okay? And as soon as it broke out, you bought somewhere around here, okay? But if you got in right here, look how much money that is, okay? Look at the difference between here and here, okay? So you can actually make more money by anticipating the breakout before it even happens. So let's go to number 8. Number 8, miss trades. Yes, if you miss a trade, guys, okay, that means that you are losing out on money. So good example. Let's say that on average you miss 3 trades per week, okay, and you're risking $100 per trade. That means that you are leaving $300 on the table, okay? Now, let's say, on average you miss maybe 1 trade per week. That's an extra $400 per month. So make sure that you don't miss any trades. Make sure that you are focused. Don't be distracted with social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, okay? Make sure that you are looking at your chart, okay? And if you need to have something to remind you, set an alarm, okay? Or you can set an alert, okay? So when it get close to your level, boom, that alert will let you know that it's close to your level so you can actually make this trade, right? So cut down on missing trades. When you cut down on that missing trade, guess what? You can actually start to make more money just by cutting down on missing trades, okay? Number 9, work harder. Yes, I know this sounds cliche, but guys, listen. Some of you guys and girls are lazy. Listen, guys, I know for a fact there's something that you can do today. Not tomorrow, not next week, but today, that will help you improve your trading. Okay? Maybe it's something simple. Maybe you're moving your stop loss. Stop moving your stop loss, because if you keep on moving your stop loss, you're going to take bigger hits. It could be something that simple. Something that simple, right? That will help you lose less, right? So when you work harder, and when you go over your trades, figure out what you're doing wrong, right? Grind, practice, all that stuff is going to help you make more money, right? Don't think the money's going to just come on your lap, guys. It's not. You practice, you back test, you do all that stuff to help you become a better trader. Guys, listen. When you eliminate your mistakes, you will make more money automatically, right? So you have to understand, eliminate your mistakes equals more money, right? Number 10, have a smaller stop loss. So let me show you guys what I mean. Okay, so, all right, so here's an example right here. Let's say that you you're trend trading and you like to put your stop loss below or above, depending on if you're going short or long, okay? But right here, below the last previous swing low, okay? So let's go to this right here. Let me show you guys a quick example, okay? Let's say that you see this nice little trend line right here breaking, okay, and you want to get in. So you said, okay, I want to get in right here. Actually, let's draw this again, that trend line again, okay? You get in right here. And let's say that you said, okay, we have this swing low right here. If price goes below this swing low, that means that the trade is invalid. And guess what? There's nothing wrong with that, okay? Okay, if you want to put your stop below a previous swing low or high, there's nothing wrong with that, okay? I'm just showing you guys different strategies you can use to increase more profits. Now, let's say that you're looking for, maybe a 1.5, okay? So let's go to 1.5. So that's around here. All right, so you got this nice little trade right here, nice little 1.5, boom, you're happy, nice, right? But what if you can actually make more money from this trade? Okay, so how can we do this? Well, instead of risking this, you can say, you know what, we have this nice trend line break. If this trend line break is legit, it shouldn't go below this low right here, right? This low right here, it shouldn't go below this low. So we are going to put our stop loss right here, okay? And just by that adjustment, guess what? Instead of making 1.5 R, you're making 3.4 R, okay? So you pretty much double your R right there, guys, right? So, okay, by using a smaller stop loss, you can actually make more money, okay, when you are trading the markets. So what you can do is just back test and see how you can get in the market with a smaller stop loss, right? And with that, you can actually make more money. Okay, so guys, I'm done. Okay, that's number 10. That's all the ways you can actually make more money. But guess what, guys? I love you. Shout out to all my addicts out there, all my subscribers. Listen, I got a bonus. Okay, so I said I was going to do 10. Guess what? I lied. I got 2 more for you guys. All right, so let's get to it. Number 11, trading a new trend. Okay, so what do I mean? Well, you want to try to catch a reversal. So this is a good example right here. Very, very good example. Okay. We have a nice drop and we have a V bottom. If you don't know anything about V bottoms are very good reversal signs. It's telling you that the market, okay, has a lot of buyers in that market right here. And most likely the direction is going to change. So by knowing that, okay, you can say, okay, we have the market doing a nice V bottom right here. We have higher highs right here. You see this high? It's high. This high right here is higher than this high. Okay, we got higher lows. So you want to get in. Okay, so let's say you actually get in right here. All right, let's say you get in right here, and let's say on average you're risking, maybe say you're going for a 2-to-1 or something like that. All right, so you get in right here, and let's say you go for a regular 2-to-1. All right. Let's say on average you go for a 3-to-1, okay? All right. So this is a 3-to-1 right here, guys. Now, since you know that this is a nice V bottom and it's a strong possibility that this could be, a start of a new trend, okay? You can say, you know what, man, forget about a 3R. Let's try to go for a 6R, okay? Or even a 7, okay? And by knowing what the market is doing, okay, you can actually go for those bigger targets, and that's how you can make more money. Okay, catching the start of a new trend, guys, is a very good thing because you can actually hold your winners even longer, right? Practice that so you guys can actually make more money. Okay, so let's go to number 12. Number 12, trading ranging markets. Okay, so let me show you a good example. Okay, so we have a nice ranging market right here. Okay, and guys, I don't want you guys to be scared of a ranging markets. They are wonderful, okay? If you don't know how to trade ranging markets yet, then don't trade them, okay? But what you can do, you can always study them, okay? Now, you have a nice ranging market right here. The market is bouncing back and forth, okay? Not going anywhere. So what you can do is basically get in at the bottom of the range, okay? And go for a nice reward to the top of the range. So let's say you see this nice rejection bar right here, okay? You want to get in. So you say, okay, let me go long right here. Nice rejection. You see nice buying right here. I want to go long. And what I'm going to do is I want to target the top of the range. So you can target this left shoulder right here, okay? Or you can target the top. Me personally, when it comes to the range, a lot of times it can bounce around at the close of the body, okay? Or at the wick. So I will get out at the close of the body, okay? So let's go here. And you can get a nice little, let's see, let me see, put a stop loss right here. And what you have here is a nice 3-to-1, okay? So knowing how to play the range, guys, you can play the bottom of the range or the top of the range. And you can actually make more money by doing that, okay? Because if the range is big enough, it gives you a lot of space to make your trade run so you can make more money. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. If so, make sure you hit that like button, guys, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram. Comment below if you have any questions, guys. Trust me, I will answer your question 100% guarantee. Make sure you share this video because I believe a lot of people could benefit from this. And also, guys, make sure you watch more videos that's on this channel. There's a video popping up right there. You can watch that video. And guys, thanks a lot again for watching this video. And please have a great day.